Yeah. You said you want
a body massage.
It is, isn't it? That's the loud note, the one that feels like
the punch.
My name's Jonathan Williams, 412 American Bass XFLs on a Bandit 8K. We bolted the wood to the roof. The problem is though, it still has massive flex. I'm gonna have to end up putting a stripper pole in it.
I told him we should have put him up the other way and we could have named him Spike.
Just know this movement is good enough for the blind to see. Yeah.
nailed right in
the... Hey, you got a rag? He got cut.
That's okay.
Well, how do you know, Bill?
It's all good. But little do we know that there's... these things move like an inch, and it came down, and I was sitting probably this far away from it. Here, hold on just a second.
Oh my God, are you all right, bro?
Oh, of course. So the culprits, damn subs, I'm still hitting my head on it. Some flex.
Oh my God.
We got flex going on, guys. 8,000 watts worth. I'm gonna go to my car and clean up real quick, just because I want to do it safely with a napkin. All right, I'll be back at you. Bloody bass demos. I'll be back. All right, so I had a rag in here somewhere. Look at this, the amp lab coming through in the clutch. It was crazy. The bolts were sticking out like 2 inches, but it was loud. Those two 412s. I'm pretty impressed, but I gotta wipe this off so I don't look like a walking around the show. But I already have this bump, so now it'll get people's attention off that, right? But man, guys, holy crap! Slap a big fat thumbs up for EXO, getting it straight to the dome. Double entendre intended. I was having fun.
Right there, boy.
That was the note, yeah.
That was the note.
Ah, yes, there is no denying the fact that a good old bass demo is a great source of smiles, happiness, and just bringing people together as a community for one common interest. I would not change it for anything in this life. And speaking of life, these next couple clips do really get you to thinking about how short it can really be. As most of our community already knows, Vince Jackson, a fellow friend of ours from Florida, was battling diabetes up and down for quite some time, but always had it in himself to stay positive and connected with the Basshead community. We got the man coming in, Vince. Long time, buddy. We're gonna give him some demos here. Even with all the hardships this guy had to go through with losing limbs right in front of his eyes, he still stayed 100% positive, was cracking jokes on Facebook. We're gonna see about getting loud in here with Vince.
You gotta help me up now.
And really showed that you just need to grab life by the balls sometimes and have as much fun as you can while you still can.
That's right.
Yeah. Just seeing how strong that he stayed throughout the entire process was really inspirational for me and lots of other people who were close friends with him. So I was thinking to myself, let's give him the best send-off that we can, because obviously he's not here with us now, so we're gonna post up this video in true Vince Jackson fashion, because this is what he loved to the max. So we're gonna send him off with a full send, EXO style with 2 18s. It was a pleasure to have him sitting here and give him a nice little farewell demo. Let's just go ahead and get into it, because it was quite moving.
Sounds good as man.
Hey, thank you.
Vince, whoa. Vince, what's up, bro? What's going on? You like that bass demo? Yes, very much so.
PB on the Budweiser.
From the man himself, he's giving us a cue. Yeah. We're getting some stank action over here, but I wouldn't have it any other way for our man here. I'm so glad to be here.
It's good to see a lot of good people out here.
You know, I'll be back here next year.
All right, I hope I'm alive then.
Well,
I'll be there.
Man, wasn't that friggin' awesome to see? Just having Vince right here in the hot seat, totally lost in the moment, jamming bass. Full smiles. Yeah, that's definitely what it's all about, and makes me appreciate what this life gives us, because you never know when it can be taken from you so quickly. He was a huge part of the channel, always had nothing but great things to say about our videos, and he was always very interactive. So I wanted to make this video personally, just because it meant a lot to me, and because you never really think about stuff like this when you're always focused on what's next. All right, what do I want next? What do I need next? And then you forget that life's not all about speakers. And then little reminders like this, and also another reminder the other day with my personal friend Coleman from CT Sounds. Oh my God, we've had multiple projects from the very beginning and now to the very end. A huge hit to the community. Sometimes you get those people who are only focusing on the negative, but I'm here to just remind you guys that life is short. Try not to dwell on things that don't make any difference at the end of the day. Focus on what matters. Yes, car audio is great, car audio is fun, but it's not all that matters. Family, reach out to your loved ones. Tell them that you love them. Don't take life for granted. So with all that said, let's switch gears now, kind of lighten the mood back up with a final bass demo of Slamfest. I had some dude like following behind me, and it ended up being a pretty cool interaction right here for you guys. So let's go ahead and say goodbye with that one. And yeah, remember guys, life is short. Let's bass on. All right, so I was just driving down the road Slam Fest has ended, and I'm jamming pretty loud, and we got this guy pulling up on my right, and apparently he was hearing me. What, would you hear me jamming down the street?
No, I follow you and I noticed the stickers.
Could you hear me too, though?
Yeah. I could feel you in the gas station.
Yeah, you could
at the
feel
light. So I'm like, I see those stickers. I was like, that can't be him. That's why I sped up on the side of you.
I couldn't hear what you were saying. Were you saying?
Yeah, no, it's too deep.
Yeah. So now we went a couple miles, and now we're at like I don't know, a pretty low key spot, and we're just gonna you want to do a quick demo?
Yeah, heck yeah.
Dude, this awesome.
I watched this whole build.
You did?
Yeah. I just watched you tear apart your truck.
Oh no, dude. Well,
that's crazy.
Yeah, it's still torn apart, and I can't get the damn thing to start. But let's not talk about that because tears will start flowing. Dude, tears. All right, we're gonna play this one. We got the window rolled up on that side to get a little bit of a hot seat for him, and we're playing 39 hertz, 43 hertz, and 45 hertz with Taiga 40 mil.
Like body massage.
It is, isn't it? Yeah, that's the loud note. That's like the one that feels like
the punch.
Yeah, the punch. Now we'll give.
That's not where you were playing at the light.
No, sir, I wasn't playing that at the light. You want me to play that? Was it playing at the light?
Yeah, that was loud.
That was loud. Okay, we'll do that one then. It was Back and Forth by I don't know who that's by, but it was this one. Me neither, man.
I can't. I follow you all day. I'm up late night. My girl's snoring. I'm like checking everything out.
Dude, you follow me on YouTube, then you follow behind me.
Yo, that's crazy.
That's awesome. Well, I'm glad that you actually pulled me aside because it's little demos like this that really brighten my day.
Yeah.
You know, driving down the road, the next thing you know, we got our man in here. What's your name again? Terrell. And we're giving demos just randomly on the side of the road in a hotel parking lot. Well, thank you very much for getting a little gist of the system, the two Platform 518s with two 5500s. And yeah, that's it, dude.
Yo, that's crazy.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, hell yeah.
It's nice to meet you, man. And there we have it, guys. Some EXO bass demo served up nice and hot for your YouTube enjoyment. I hope you liked this video. We've got some definitely more bass demos coming in with Little Blue. We got Bassman in the hot seat, some more nice special guests. So definitely be on the lookout for that, as well as our installation videos for both our huge 50,000 watt 18-inch subwoofer build and our daily driver Toyota. Obviously, we gotta do everything in order, but there's a lot on our platter right now, so be sure to stick around, and thank you to all of our amazing patrons who help support the channel by going the extra mile over there on our page. We post some behind the scenes footage and also give away every month in the EXO reward program. This month we've got some Crescendo 5x7s courtesy of DB Designs, Gary Allen Shuck, and David Berger teamed up together, and we got some goodies for our supporters on Patreon. I'll include the links in the description just in case you guys want to be a part of that and participate in the reward program. We've given away over like $2,000 worth of stuff over there on Patreon. So there is a definite good reasons to go check it out, guys. So until the next time, this is EXO signing out with Little Blue here. We've got more bass demos on the way. I'll talk to you in the next video. This is EXO signing out.